In this video, I am going to show you how to update your FireStick to the latest version easily and quickly. First, turn on your FireStick and navigate to the home screen. From there, go to Settings in the top menu. Scroll to the right and select My Fire TV. In the My Fire TV menu, select About. Here, you will see the option for Check for Updates. Click on it, and your FireStick will start checking for any available software updates. If an update is available, you will see a prompt to download and install it. Click Download or Install Update to begin the process. Once the update is downloaded, your FireStick will automatically install it and restart. After the restart, you will have the latest version of the Fire OS installed on your device, ensuring you have access to the newest features and improvements. If you do not see an update available, it means your FireStick is already up to date. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.